Hello guys, this is Aarti and welcome to Aarti's Kitchen. Today we'll be making Mac Pizza Puff. The list of ingredients is mentioned in the description box below. You all can have a look at it. So let's get started. So to prepare a stuffing, firstly we have heated in a pan. To it we'll drop in 4 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil get heated up a bit. To our oil we'll drop in around 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 onion finely chopped and 1 green bell pepper finely chopped. Saute them for 1 minute. And now we'll drop in our carrots, green peas, beans and corn, each half a cup. Saute them as well. Now drop in around 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. We'll now add in half a cup of water to our vegetables and let them to fully cook. Cover it with a lid. So our vegetables are nicely cooked now. 1 cup of pizza sauce to our vegetables. This is homemade pizza sauce. You all can check the recipe of it in my prior video and I'll mention the link in the description box below. So we'll add this to our vegetables now. And let it cook for further 5 minutes. Now that our stuffing is cooled and ready, we'll add in 2 cubes of grated cheese into it and then mix it well. So to prepare a dough, firstly we'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of oil. Now we'll mix this well. Till it holds shape like this. And now we'll add in the required water into it and prepare our dough. We need to prepare a stiff dough out of it. Our dough is now ready and now we'll knead it once again. Now we'll divide our dough into 2 portions. Roll the dough into a circle, which should be a bit thick. Now we have a roti ready here. And now we'll cut it like this. Move the axis. Now apply water to all the edges because we need to seal them later on. Now our stuffing. Drop the stuffing in the center of the rectangle. Press it with your fingers like this. Do the same for all the other puffs. Seal the edges and then press it with a fork to give it a pattern. Prepare all the pizza puffs in this manner. So our entire batch of pizza puffs are now ready and we'll fry them now. Firstly we have heated in some oil. To it we'll deep fry our puffs. Fry the puffs till they are nice and golden. So guys, our Mac Pizza Puff is now ready. And if you like the recipe, please do give it a thumbs up. and do subscribe to Aarti's Kitchen. Thank you for watching.